Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol LCID, or Lucid Group Inc. Looking at a recent news story here, it says check out what whales are doing with Lucid. A whale with a lot of money to spend has taken a noticeably bearish stance on Lucid Group. Looking at options history for LCID, we detected 15 strange trades. If we consider the specifics of each trade, it is accurate to state that 46% of the investors opened trades with bullish expectations and 53% with bearish. From the overall spotted trades, 9 are puts for a total amount of $596,000 and 6 are calls for a total amount of $476,836. Says the price target here is between 20 and 47 over the last 3 months. So that is the price range target from these contracts. Let's take a look here at some price action. On the 15-minute chart here, you can see that the thing was in a little bit of a downtrend. Had a hard sell-off here on Thursday at market open and then found a bottom around that 34 level. Ripped pretty good from there. So if you're taking a look at this time frame right here, I would probably keep an eye on this trend line here to see if it retraces down to this trend line. It's trading right around that 21-day exponential moving average right now, but if it does sell off to this level, I would keep an eye on this trend line right here and kind of see what happens as it approaches that trend line. You know, are the bulls going to step back in or rip off of that level and keep this short-term uptrend going? Or is it going to fall through that? And, you know, is this thing going to come back and maybe test around this 33.76 low? Let's take a look here at the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour chart, kind of within a range overall on this chart. You can see some highs here around this 42 level. You got that low there of 33.76, and then you had a lot of tests around this 36 level. You had some levels here, 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 and here. So I was able to hold that 36 for most of this chart. But then on Thursday, yeah, with that big move down there, the sellers were able to crush it down below 34, but then it quickly rallied into this uptrend. And yeah, it looks like here on this 1 hour time frame as well, it may be coming down to test around this 21-day EMA. Let's check out the daily time frame. So on the daily, yeah, it had a nice little rally here to about 55.56 recently, and then once it had a hard sell-off to get below that 21-day EMA, it was hanging below there for a while until this Friday candle here. You have this Thursday pretty good pump with the wick sticking out, and then this Friday candle here to bust above that 21-day EMA. So kind of looking at recent price action on this chart, you know, I would like to see if this thing does retrace a little bit, which I think it might after these 2 crazy candles here. I would like to see it maybe bounce off of this 40.41 level, because you can see down here there was a lot of rejection around that 35 level. So it seemed to find a bottom here on this daily time frame, and then with this big rip up, you know, if it starts to retrace, I would like to see it bounce off of that 40 level. The buyers can come in at that point and start to send this thing higher again. Then, you know, maybe it can come up and test around 45 to 50, somewhere in that range. But yeah, it was a pretty good rip on Friday, so don't be surprised if this thing retraces a little bit. And if it does, I'll be looking to see what happens after it draws down a little bit here, and we got a little bit of profit taking after that crazy Thursday and Friday candle. But I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker LCID, or Lucid Group Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.